Hey everyone, I'm Toby from the DJI Agriculture team, and in this video we'll be unboxing a brand new DJI Agras T25. The T25 has all of the flagship features from the T50. It can spray, spread, and map, but it all comes in a more compact and portable package. It's perfect for small farms and for solo operations, and we'll get into all of its hardware and intelligent features in a second, but first, let's get it unboxed. Okay, we've got it unboxed. Let me go through everything one by one. Up first, we have the T25 itself. Like its predecessor, the T20P, the T25 has a 4-axis, 4-propeller, multi-rotor design. The arms fold in for easy transportation and storage. It's really easy to transport or move around by yourself. Before flight, the arms must be secured by these safety locks, and each safety lock has a sensor that prevents takeoff if it detects an arm isn't secured. Speaking of safety, the T25 has 2 multi-directional active phased array radars, one here on the front and one here on the back. The radar on the front is responsible for detecting obstacles horizontally and vertically from the drone. The radar on the back can detect obstacles behind the drone, as well as detect the drone's precise altitude. Together, these radars enable intelligent obstacle bypassing and terrain following. The drone's vision system is made up of 2 sets of binocular vision sensors, which can detect the size and position of obstacles. And with AI image recognition, the drone can reliably and safely detect and bypass obstacles. Onto the T25 spraying system, we have a 20-liter spraying tank, which means the T25 can cover 1 hectare of farmland per flight at 20 liters per hectare, or 0.1 hectares of orchards per flight at 200 liters per hectare. The spraying system is powered by 2 magnetic drive impeller pumps for a flow rate of 16 liters per minute with 2 sprinklers. For scenarios like orchard spraying that require an extremely high flow rate, 2 additional centrifugal sprinklers can be installed for a total of 4 sprinklers and a max flow rate of 24 liters per minute. This allows the drone to spend less time spraying per tree for higher overall efficiency. Each centrifugal sprinkler has a solenoid valve. This is responsible for the starting and stopping of spraying action. When you stop spraying, the solenoid valve helps prevent any leaks or drips. With 4 sprinklers, it's easier to fly manually, where you don't need to change the drone's heading as you fly forward and backwards across your operation area. Depending on the crops you're spraying, you'll want to adjust your spray droplet size. With centrifugal sprinklers, there's no need to change different spray nozzles. On the remote controller, you can increase or decrease the rotation speed of these discs for a spray droplet size anywhere between 50 to 500 micrometers. The centrifugal sprinklers can handle powder suspension solutions without jamming or clogging, and if you need to spray an oil or another viscous solution, you can change to a single layer disc which can spray without clogging or jamming. Moving on to the spreading system, here we have the T25 spreading tank, which can be swapped in place for the spraying tank. This has a 25 kilogram capacity and can hold whatever type of granule you want to spread, from fertilizers to seeds, cover crop, etc. We've expanded the tank's loading gate so it's much quicker and easier to refill. The exit opening has also been expanded for a max flow rate of 1 ton per hour. The T25 spreader has a new spiral channel spinning disc, which helps increase spreading uniformity. These grooves or channels are curved and help guide the granules outward for a uniform, even spread. The T25 spreading system comes with different size hopper gates depending on your spreading application requirements. A larger hopper gate will give you a higher flow rate, a smaller hopper gate will give you a lower flow rate. Cleaning and maintenance for the spreading system is very straightforward and easy. You can take it apart, disassemble it, and directly spray it with water. Moving on to the T25's accessories, here we have the DJI RC Plus. It's got a 7-inch high-bright screen, an 8-core processor, IP54 protection, and 6 hours of battery life. It's really comfortable to use, really easy to use, and the screen is really bright. Even in direct sunlight, you can see it clearly. The T25's included toolbox has various tools and accessories for maintenance and repairs. Next, we have the T25's batteries and charger. Proper battery management is essential for efficient field work, so we've made the battery charging process as streamlined as possible. This is a DB800 intelligent flight battery. It weighs approximately 6.6 kilograms and has a 15.5 amp hour capacity. It's got a full metal shell, which helps protect its cells, as well as dissipate heat. This is a C8000 intelligent charger. It can be powered either by utility power or by a generator for ultra-fast charging. And here we have the D6000i multifunctional inverter generator. It can recharge a T25 battery from 30 to 95% in 9 minutes. With 2 to 3 batteries charging in a cycle, you can have continuous operations with a T25. The generator also has a 230-volt, 1500-watt AC port, so you can charge your accessories in the field, like your cell phone or remote controller, etc. We hope you like this video about the Agras T25 and its accessories. If you want to buy one, we have a link to our dealer map in the description below. If you want to learn more about the T25 and its advanced features, we've got a whole video series about everything you need to know. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.